Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to create a Nintendo account step by step. If you want to create a Nintendo account to use Nintendo Switch online features, eShops or games, this video is for you. First of all, launch open a preferred web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in nintendo.com. Once you are inside the official website for Nintendo, go ahead and select your region, and once you do that, you'll end up in the main home screen of Nintendo. Go to the top right corner of the home screen and look for this login and sign up button and click on that. To create a new account for Nintendo, go ahead and look for the sign up button in the expanded menu and click on it. Now you'll be taken to this Nintendo account creation page where you need to select your date of birth information. Select your year, day and month and finally click submit. Now on the next page, if you have a Google account or Apple account, you can click on one of those in order to create a Nintendo account super fast. But if you want to go ahead and enter your nickname or the options on this page, you can scroll down and then enter your nickname for your Nintendo account. Enter your email address on the next field, and on the next field, create a password for your account. Make sure to double check your password before proceeding further, and on the next field, re-enter your new password you just created. Now, select your gender, country of residence and your time zone, and finally check all of these boxes and click submit. Now, in order to complete your account creation, you'll need to verify your code. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and you'll receive a verification code. After you receive the code, type it down in the text box. While looking for the code, make sure to open up the same email that you just registered with Nintendo and click on verify. Finally, after your account has been created, click on OK, and there you have it. You are inside the main homepage of Nintendo. Your account is now ready to use. You can now sign into your Nintendo Switch, eShop or Nintendo apps. That's how you easily create a Nintendo account in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech and gaming tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.